What's the meaning of buyout? Buyout. Buyout.
Buyout. Buyout. A buyout refers to the acquisition of a controlling interest in a company or business. In this process, an individual or group of individuals acquires more than 50% ownership of the company, giving them the power to control its operations and decision-making. The result of a buyout can vary depending on the nature and objectives of the acquiring party. In some cases, a buyout may lead to the complete dismantling of the company and liquidation of its assets, while in other instances, the company may continue to operate as a subsidiary or under new management. A buyout can also result in changes to the company's culture, values, and overall direction.